Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so very much. I'm happy, and I would like to appreciate each and every one of you for taking time out from your busy schedule. You could have chosen to do other things, but you chose to be here with us today as we celebrate a man. I tell people all the time that I thank God for the gift of him in my life, for the gift of him for 23 years. And of course, when you are having a nice time and enjoying yourself, you are Oliver Twist, you want more. I would have wanted more because I didn't endure my marriage with Innocent. I enjoyed every bit of it. So I thank God for the gift of him. And also, I'm very happy to be standing here today at Center for Memories in Enugu. Why am I excited and happy about that? Like the MC said, this is the 4th edition. In 2023, 2 years after Innocent passed, our children, my children and I, decided that we start this annual lecture in his memory. And so we started in 2023, and we started in Abuja. So we had the maiden edition in Abuja. We had the second one in 2024 in Abuja again. And then last year, 2025, we had it in Lagos. And after that, we, and when I say we, the children and I, Clean Foundation, which he founded in 1998, his first baby, and ISEF, Innocent Chukwuemeka Chukwuma Empowerment Foundation, which the children and I started in his memory, decided that we need to come home. Anyone who knows Innocent would know that while he was an international figure, while he was a national figure, Innocent was a homeboy. Anyone who knew him knows that. You know, while serving the world, while serving the nation, his heart always came home. So for me, I'm happy to be here today. And then where else other than Center for Memories? I know my in-laws and people from Imo State will say, why didn't you go to Imo State now? We are going there. Saving the best for the last. Saving the best for the last.